welcome back to my channel. As you see by that title, I brought a brand new car. So JK guys, this is not my car, but as you can see, this is my old car. This is literally total. This is my 2011 Hyundai Elantra. That's not off the road right now. As you see, it is very torn up, but I got something that replaced it a day later after this total car, and I got a new Honda Civic Sport. So this is my brand new car. The color is called a modern steel color. I actually love this car so much. It's a two-door Honda Civic Sport, and the color is magnificent. I really love it. Check out the rims. Check out the rims. So this is my car, you guys, a two-door Honda Civic Sport. So guys, this is the inside of my brand new Honda Civic Sport car. It's a two-door. I just cleaned it out. It is so hot here. I live in Georgia, so it is so hot here in Georgia today. And so I'm literally sweating behind this camera. But this is the inside. There goes the back seat. Oops, sorry guys. Seat. That's the passenger, and it also has a backup camera. So this right here, it's still a little dusty. I gotta take Windex, but it has a backup camera, everything like that. Brake hold, like it has some really nice features in here. Like I really love this car. It is so cute. It doesn't have a sunroof. But other than that, I really love this car. See, it still has a little tab thingy still up there. It comes with a carport, charger little thingy, whatever you want to call it. This here is really nice how this is. Oh, that's my key and all that stuff. Like this slides back. So it has an extra cup holder. And then also like this, whether you call that little middle part thingy with some storage. So yeah guys, that's my car. Really nice. It's so hot, y'all, so I'm trying to kind of get through it. It's still wet because I just washed it in this hot sun. But yeah guys, this is my car. I actually love it, and it also has like the lane assist and all of that. So yeah, my brand new car. So let me check out the back for you guys. So this is how it looks. Also, my muffler, see the little sport kind, you know, sport. So this is my car. Absolutely love it. Love. And also, y'all, I love the rims. Check out the rims. So yeah, my new sports car. And it goes fast because it has like paddlers, however you say it. So it's like a sport racing car, but I'm not like a fast driver, so I want to be safe, so I don't use it. But it can literally it can literally race somebody. So this is how my car looks. So thanks guys.